Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansa, and in today's video we will be shopping at Hobby Lobby for lots of Christmas glam decor. So stay tuned, let's get started. So as you can see, there is a lot of varieties for Christmas trees. I am not shopping for one this year, but yeah, I see some cute nutcrackers if you're looking for something like that. You guys, I was losing my mind at the store. I like these soap dispensers, although they're glass, so they are really not functional for my family dynamics because I got little kids. That just means they're gonna smash them. But yeah, these kitchen towels are really nice, and a good tip is sometimes you can use these kitchen towels in your bathroom because they're usually made better, in my opinion. I also found this cute turntable. I think this is really cute. You could put some nice little, those little Christmas trees, the cone trees. Those would look really nice. Maybe a snow globe, and it can rotate. I think that will be pretty. We got some oven gloves over here, some drying towels over here for your dishes. More soap dispensers, those placemats, the buffalo check. We have it in the red, and they also have it in the black and white. I think these are really nice, and it's really trendy this year. These are coasters for your glasses. So anything you're looking for, I think anybody can find something that they like at Hobby Lobby. Yeah, that is just what it is. All right, we got more of that black and white buffalo check over here. I was really liking these last year. Oh yeah, and look at this, guys. Man, this store was so packed with goodies. I was losing my mind. So these are nice pieces that you can just use and around your house, make it look nice and cozy. Whatever theme you're going for, I believe you would find something, and everything is 50% off as far as Christmas. And y'all, look over here. When I'm talking about the glitz and glam, this is what I'm talking about, guys. That silver and just this shade of purple is just so beautiful. I don't know, look at that Santa with their silver sleigh, the elves, the reindeers, the silver reindeers, the white, the glitter and glam. This right here was doing it. I love those cone trees. They look really nice and classy depending on what look you're going for this Christmas. Again, there's something for everybody. That Noel sign is beautiful. They have lots of the mini trees. I have one of those from last year that I'm going to be using, and y'all, you already know I am a lover of gold. Now this guy right here, he was so cute, so adorable. I did not get him, but I think I'm gonna go back and get one of those reindeer in another shade. You got more of the cone trees, so beautiful. That gold, different shades of gold, beautiful. I did a lot of gold last year, and I'm going again with some gold this year as well. Think about switching up, but I'm not sure. But let me tell you, once I saw this table right here, I was losing my mind. I said, I know pink Christmas is beautiful. I see it around. It's so trendy. It's so gorgeous, but I never thought I would be so peer pressured or pressured by the internet like this. I felt so irresponsible at this store. I could not resist it, y'all. This is just a perfect shade of pink. It's just that blush pastel colors, so glam, and it just goes very beautifully with that champagne gold. You cannot beat a champagne gold and pink Christmas this 2021. I think it's so trendy, and unfortunately or fortunately for me, I fell for it. Last year I did red, green. No, last year I did red, white, and gold. I took off the traditional greens, but this year I just changed my mind and I'm going with the pink and the gold. Over here you got more tree toppers if you're going for something more dramatic. I don't really do that for tree toppers, but yeah, you have the more traditional tree toppers over here, $11.99, and again they are 50% off. If you were shopping for Christmas stuff, this is the time to go, because as it gets closer to Christmas, most of the good stuff are going to be gone. They're going to be out of stock and they would not be replaced. So yeah, I found lots of good stuff. Over here they have their garlands. I think I would need a garland. I have some from last year, but I'm not sure if I want to use it. Now I really came to the store to shop for tree skirts, because I am not about to use that red and white tree skirt from last year. I'm contemplating between these two. This one right here, it's like a tan, a brown color, because it matches some of my furniture. And I was also considering this white and silver, but I'm not sure. But however, I ended up going with the brown color. You know, it has that gold detail, which I really like, and these are really lush and well made. They are well made. All right, so I decided to go with this one right here. Again, 50% off. I think it's good. It was $49.99, so $50, 50% off. So I paid $25 for the tree skirt, and this is something that I can use over and over again. It is so neutral. I don't think I can ever get tired of it. I also went with matching stockings to put these on my mantle. So I'm excited to see how Christmas goes this year. Again, I have fallen for peer pressure, okay, from the internet. It's your fault. It is your fault, you guys, and I'm loving it. This table right here did it for me, and I'm sticking with it. All right, so whatever color you're going for, whatever scheme you're going for, there is something for you at Hobby Lobby. Run to your local store, and I'm sure you'll find something within your budget. Now tell me, how cute are these? These are so different, so unique, and just so glam. I think these will look cute on a tree. Honestly, I didn't get them though. It's not really my style, but I think it's really cute. And look, y'all, they were out to get me, and they got me. I fell for it shamelessly, and I'm okay. Okay, we're good. Lots of more blush pink, and this champagne gold right here, this is the color. You can never go wrong with neutrals, okay? I love traditional Christmas colors, the red, the greens, the whites. I love them. But this year, I think I'm toning it all the way down, and I am loving it. So there are so many different options. I was going for something less messy. And of course, most of these are shatterproof. Look at that. These are so glam also to hang on your tree. Give it some detail and some depth. Now look at this pack of snowflakes. Guys, these right here, if you want all the glitz and glam, and just it brings a lot of dimension and depth and texture to your tree that just regular ornaments wouldn't do. I really love those trees as well. I grabbed some of them. As you can see, my cart is already looking crazy, and I only came here for a tree skirt. But anyway, we are not judging, we're shopping. And if you're enjoying the shopping experience with me, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And if this is your first time on this channel, go ahead and hit on that subscribe button if you like more of these videos. Now to the pics. Look at that, another champagne gold. I found this in more colors, but this color right here, this right here, baby, it was appealing. And let us not forget those pom-pom looking ornaments. I went for them. I had to go right back after I walked past them to get them. We got more poinsettias. These are really nice. These will really match my tree skirt and the stockings that I got, so I went for a few of those. I might need more. Now this is what I was talking about. These, look at them, they look like ice crystals. They look so cute. And more poinsettias that I went for. They also have some of the pearls if you're going for that. All right, those are really nice to adorn around your tree. Now on the floral sections, they got lots and lots of winter, floral picks. They got the berries with the snow crystal on it. Beautiful. Again, lots of the traditional colors. You also have other options that are flocked. My tree is flocked, so this will look really nice. These can even be used as tree fillers if your tree is not that full. And y'all, look at my cart. I really like those big ornaments. They make a lot of difference. Guys, look at these points. They are so long, so tall. This will look really glam and elegant in a tall vase. That's the white or off-white. It looks more like a beige. They got more over here. Just so much to choose from. That gold right here looks so good on camera. If you're looking for shades of blue, turquoise, and all of that, there you have it, my friends. And also, I found this so cute. They look like icicles hanging down, and they are so glam. If you're going for the peppermint color, guys, you got it right here. These are so gorgeous, so glam, so different. How many times have I said glam in this video? Y'all give me a thumbs up for that, okay? Again, more of those golds, and I found this one right here. Again, it was calling my name, but I resisted, but I don't know if it was a good idea. I think this will look so good in my tall vase in my living room, but again, I don't want to overwhelm it and do too much of the pink. Let me show you what my card looks like right now. It's not too much. Everything that I got is something I will use. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Until then, stay safe, y'all.